Here is what most people think listening looks like. Left person says, I'm so overwhelmed at work. Right lists their thoughts. My job's worse. Should I tell them about my promotion? Wait, do they want advice? Wrong. Real listening isn't about you. It's about them. And today, you will learn the neuroscience-backed method to make anyone feel like the most important person in the room, even if you are bored.
We're in a listening epidemic. A 2023 Stanford study found that 92% of conflict escalate because people feel unheard. Even doctors interrupt patients within 11 seconds. But here's the kicker. You're probably a level 2 listener, and that's why your relationship feels stuck. Let's diagnose your listening level. Have you ever checked your phone mid-conversation? Guilty. I know I've done it. Jumped in with, that's happened to me. We've all done it. Giving unsolicited advice? Just break up with them. Sound familiar? The good news is, listening isn't a talent. It's a skill, and I'll teach you how to hack it.
When someone feels truly heard, their brain releases a cocktail of oxytocin, the trust hormone, and dopamine, the reward chemical. This isn't touchy-feely stuff. It's biology, but most of us trigger the opposite reaction. Here's a game changer. Empathetic listening activates the ventral vagal nerve, which calms the body and builds connection. Translation, you can literally hack someone's nervous system to trust you. So how do you do it? Let's break it down, the 4 laws of laser listening. The 4 laws of laser listening. Law 1, silence the me monster. Your brain's default mode is selfish. It's constantly asking, what does this mean for me? Shut it down by repeating this mantra. This is not about me. Law 2, listen with your body, not just your ears. Your body speaks first. Angle your torso towards them. Nod at a 72-degree intervals. And again, yes, this is definitely backed by research. And mirror their energy. Pro tip though, never cross your arms. It screams, I'm judging you. Law 3, the 3-second rule. After they finish speaking, wait 3 seconds. Why? It signals respect and stops you from hijacking the conversation. But warning though, this will feel awkward at first. Do it anyway. Law 4, reflect, don't fix. Let's do a little role playing. One is a good listener and one is a bad listener. So bad listener, your boss hates you. Quit. I'd never put up with that. But a good listener will respond differently. You're feeling undervalued. That sounds exhausting. Tell me more. So if you think about it, you're empathizing with the person and not just telling them what to do. Your job isn't to solve, it's to validate, period. Let's look at some real-world case studies, proof that it works. Case study 1. Let's imagine our first scenario, saving a marriage. Couple arguing, then using the 4 laws to reconnect. Sarah and Tom were on the brink of divorce. After practicing 3-second silence, they rebuilt trust in 30 days. Let's look at another scenario, a case study in the workplace. Now, I would see this as a workplace breakthrough. So, imagine employee nervously approaching boss. Boss uses open posture and reflection. Mark's team morale was toxic. After he stopped fixing and started listening, productivity jumped 40%. And the final scenario we can also look at, we could look at the parenting scenario where parenting wins in this. So imagine teen slams door, parent pauses and says, "I'm here when you're ready to talk." No, your kid won't suddenly hug you after saying this, but studies show this approach reduces teen lying by 62%. So keep that in mind. This really works, and I think this will improve a lot of relationships. Warning: master listeners become emotional magnets. You will need boundaries or you'll attract energy vampires. Use the 5-minute rescue. I want to be fully present for you. Can we talk in a quiet space later? And never do this. The sympathy pity party. You're depressed? Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Now they're comforting you. Don't be that person. Want the 4 laws as a free PDF? Smash that like button, comment cheat sheet, and I'll DM it to you. But first, share this video with someone who needs it. Tag them and say, "Found your listening coach." Those powerful words aren't "I love you." They are "I hear you." Go be that person. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like, share, comment, and let's work together. Thank you so much, and until next time.